Unboxing our refrigerator, a long-awaited moment. I'm excited. It's the GE, and you know, we actually got it like we had it for like months, probably like about 6 months. Put it in the spot, and here goes unboxing. Josh. Took a lot of space out.
The box cutter, what you do with that?
Well, I'm gonna.
Yeah, be careful. We don't want to damage it. Don't want to damage it or scratch it or anything, you know?
Your stuff packed good. Totally went up.
Can you leave those on for protection? I know you. A damage from the ceiling falling and hitting you or whatever. The halo cover on the, should have put the halo cover on the light up there. Oh, you want your contractor?
Hey.
I'm gonna cover it up with some plastic so it's not getting dust and stuff collecting on it. So if this house is still under, then I do want to protect our investment. Be careful, be careful, be careful. Wonder why we got refrigerator problems.
Move this stuff.
Hold on. Kind of left all of that on. Come on. Ah! Ooh, they got my toe. Malik, it's going to damage the tile.
The wheels.
No, it don't.
That's what I do. I'll let it go fast now. Just mess around and go fast. You don't feel the wheel?
Yeah, but they go a certain way.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is the back.
This the front over here.
It's
So,
gonna be
yeah, so
sitting
just
this way.
keep going that way. Let's take it.
Me?
Come around here. Yeah. Oh well, you good. Put them back.
Genius.
I'm missing that wall.
No, now we need to turn it. Hold on. Now lift it up again and turn it again. Closer to the wall. Yeah. So we painted.
And record replay. Got a single outlet to plug it in. It's its own dedicated outlet. It's actually on its own dedicated circuit. Has a single outlet. Yeah. It's plugged in, but gotta cut the power on. So before we actually put it on.
Okay. So we actually we got the kitchen partially ready. That's why this side is painted. We wanted to put the refrigerator in place.
Get out of the way.
And the cabinet's gonna go here with the sink, dishwasher right next to the refrigerator. So it's the good thing about building your own home. You can take your time. There's no rush. There's no deadlines except for your building permit, you know, if you have one. But even if you go beyond your building permit, you can get an extension. So thanks for watching our video. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Take care. Leave.
A thumbnail glass right here tomorrow.
Huh?
Rebel soul child got a fist balled. I'm a respawn of ancestors and I'm blessed, They are not him, tell him fess up. I get check stub, hella carefree, nothing scares me, hella reckless. Yeah, I got next up, right?